Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Alexa app not working on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're not being able to use your Amazon Alexa application since the application is acting out and not being able to get you through your account, then here are some fixes you could try out. The first thing to do is to restart your device. Simply press and hold the power switch from your Android phone and tap on restart. Once your system restarts, this can often resolve issues with apps or devices. If that still doesn't work, the next thing to do is to check your internet connection. Make sure that you are connected to a stable internet, whether it is your Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Once you have a stable Wi-Fi network or cellular data, go and open up your Amazon Alexa application and see if that fixes the issue. If that still doesn't work, the next thing to do is to force quit the app. Go and open up settings from your Android and from the settings menu scroll down and tap on apps. Tap on the Amazon Alexa application and tap on force stop at the bottom right. Tap OK in the pop-up and now go tap open the application again and see if that fixes the issue. If it still doesn't work, get back to the same page, that is the app info page, and tap on storage. Now tap the clear cache button at the bottom right and tap on clear data at the bottom left. Remember that you must know your Amazon Alexa's account's credentials in order to use the app again, since clearing out your data will delete the application's data permanently. Tap OK and get back to your Amazon Alexa application, log into your account again in order to see if that fixes the issue. If nothing else works out, simply delete your Amazon Alexa application from your device by press and hold the app and tapping on uninstall. Tap OK in the pop-up. Once the application is uninstalled, go back to your Play Store and download it again and see if that fixes the issue by opening up the app. Those were some of the fixes you could try whenever Amazon Alexa application is not working on your Android. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.